Welcome to a tutorial on drawing a dalek in Flash. So you'll need the oval tool and the line tool, and I'm just going to start off with the head part at the top first of all, and then just the intersecting. See the intersecting line there. So all you do is use your selection tool and you can click on each of the lines and delete those. Delete that, copy that one a couple of times. Oh, just make sure you've got it lined up. There, and then there. So that's a bit too low, let's move that one up there, like that. And just take your line tool and join those bits up. Then you can go through and just add lines along here. So that's for the head part. So the next bit is the body part. So all you're going to do is just draw a circle there. Draw another circle just underneath, like that. Draw another one a bit further down, like that. And then draw one much further down. It should be a bit wider than the last one you done. Say about there. And then you're going to do another circle. This one has to sort of go behind the one that you've done, sort of like that, and that gives you the effect on the bottom where it's got this bit going round, so it looks like it's a part going round the back. So the next thing you can do is just join these up. I'm going to just join that from there up to, let's say up to there. There to there. And you can use your selection tool and get rid of these parts. So now I'm just going to move these ones up a bit higher, just to make sure we've got a nice height on them. So I've got that section there just underneath the chin. Move this one up and get the next section area up, and then move this one up as well and just get that part there. And I'll just remove these bits. So now I'm just going to do the venting area just around here. There we go. And then just the bits coming down here as well. So widen those out a bit. There we go. Now what I'm going to do is use the selection tool, and for each of these bits I'm just going to move them along, move them along, and then copy and paste another one and just put that in there, and then that way that'll allow me to just try and get the intersection right. Yeah, that should allow you to then click there and remove that bit. So now what you want to do is take your circle tool and just draw a circle inside one of your squares, or one of your rectangle areas. And just make sure it's definitely going to fit inside. So there, that one looks fine. And then all you're going to do is click and copy it, and first of all just do these outside edges here, just make sure that they overlap the line so it gives it a bit of dimension there. So just go through, add 4 to each section. So you should end up now with something like that. And the next thing we're going to do is just have a look at the guns and the antennae. So first of all we've got the top antennae here, so just a circle there, bigger circle there, and then a medium size circle about there. And then all you do is just take this circle, just copy and paste a couple of those. One there, and another one there. And then you can use your line tool and just create a line along the top there for the top circles. There we go. Just makes that nice and thick. And then just take a line from the back one forward, like that. And you can use your selection tool, just remove the lines that you don't want. Move these little corner areas as well. Ooh. Let's zoom in and we can get those. So I've just had a bit of trouble just trying to get that middle one, so I'll just copy this other one and paste that in there. There we go. Get rid of that a little bit. And then all you're going to do now is just take a circle one here and just move that a bit closer in, like that. Perfect. And then you can line that one up. Use your selection tool. That's fine there. Delete that bit, and there we go. So for the plunger tool, that's quite easy as well. Just make a small circle there, bigger one there, and then a really big one here. Use your line tool, just intersect those up like that. Take this one and pull this over here. There we go. Use your selection tool and just remove the other bits. There we go. And then finally for the laser tool, so all you need to do is take a small circle over here and just take another circle, just intersect that there like that, and then come back here and do a circle there, and then copy that one, put that one just further along here, and then back to the circle tool and another small circle just at the back there for the pipe. And then what to do is first of all intersect this one up here. First of all, clean that up. There we go. And then use your line tool for this one now as well. And to give the sort of diagonal effect illusion, you just want to you do a little diagonal one on the top, and then one on the bottom, and then you just use your line tool again for these ones in the middle here. There we go. Then we can line this one up at the back here. Oh, hold on. Let's remove these bits first here. I'm going to have to move this bit down a little bit because it's going to just keep locking onto that line. Let's see. In fact, let's just do the line tool a little bit out here like that, and then we can just move the whole thing in. It makes it a bit easier. Delete that, and there we go. So you can resize those if you want. I would resize this one just to make that a bit thinner, a bit longer as well. There we go. And you can place those on the body, and you've got your Dalek.